You know that AI that helps you draft an email or answer a weird question? Well, imagine that same technology being trained for a whole new kind of battle. We're talking about large language models, or LLMs, and they're being moved to a new front line, cybersecurity. Today, we're going to map out how these incredibly powerful tools are becoming our new digital defenders.
And this really is the multi-billion-dollar question, isn't it? As cyber attacks get more sophisticated, faster, and just sneakier, human defenders are finding it harder and harder to keep up. So is AI the game changer we've been waiting for? Could it actually become our best line of defense? Let's see what the research says.
So, to really get a handle on this new frontier, we need a good map. And lucky for us, our guide for this whole explainer is a massive new academic review that basically charts the entire landscape of LLMs in cybersecurity. And what makes this map so incredible is just the sheer scale of it. The research we're pulling from today brings together insights from over 300 separate papers. That gives us this amazing bird's-eye view of what's really going on where AI and security meet. So, with this incredibly detailed map in our hands, let's dive in and explore the territory. First question, where are these LLMs actually being put to work on the front lines? Right away, our map points us to 4 major territories where these AI models are already on active duty. And you'll see they're playing some very, very different roles in each one.
And what's really wild here is just how versatile they are. I mean, look at this. They're not just doing one simple thing. They're acting as these vigilant sentinels on our networks, watching traffic. They're serving as expert code reviewers, spotting flaws humans might miss. They're even auditing smart contracts. You know, that complex code that runs blockchain apps? They're basically becoming specialists in almost every corner of our digital world.
But, and this is a really crucial insight from all that research, you can't just take a generic chatbot off the shelf and expect it to do this kind of high-stakes work. To be any good in a security environment, these general-purpose AIs have to be completely transformed into highly trained specialists.
And this slide really nails that difference. A standard LLM is a generalist. It knows a little bit about everything, which is great. But a security-tuned LLM, that's a specialist. Think of it like this. It's the difference between your family doctor and a cybersecurity forensics expert. One is perfect for general questions, but the other one is who you call in a real crisis.
Now, we have to be real here. This technology is still very much a work in progress. Putting LLMs on the front line isn't some simple plug-and-play solution. Our map also shows some pretty big obstacles on the road ahead.
The research points to 4 major hurdles. First off, you've got adversarial attacks. This is where hackers design special inputs to deliberately trick the AI, like getting it to label a dangerous file as safe. Then, of course, there are huge concerns around data privacy, the massive computing power they need to run, and maybe the scariest one, the risk that these powerful tools could be flipped and used by the attackers themselves. Tackling these issues is the key to unlocking their true potential. So solving these challenges isn't just about making our networks safer. The lessons we learn in building trustworthy, secure AI have massive implications for any field that handles sensitive data. And you can't find a better example than the super-regulated world of finance and accounting. And this is where the potential just explodes. The same kind of AI that secures a network can also completely revolutionize finance. Just imagine it. LLMs automating incredibly complex financial analysis, boosting accuracy and protecting sensitive data with a whole new layer of intelligence. This isn't just about stopping hackers anymore. It's about building systems we can actually trust everywhere.
Which kind of brings us full circle to a final thought. See, cybersecurity has always been an arms race. We build a new defense, the attackers find a way around it, and the whole cycle just keeps on going. So as these AI defenders get smarter and more powerful, the real question isn't just about the threats they can stop today, it's about what new, totally unforeseen challenges their very existence will create tomorrow.